Cinderella was a beautiful girl who was happily spending her childhood with her mother. His mother taught him to be a symbol of goodness, honesty, and all the virtues of the world. But one day, his mother fell ill and died. His father then marries another woman with whom 3 girls also come. These 3 girls become Cinderella's stepsisters, and they treat Cinderella badly. One day, the king of the city celebrated a special celebration in the palace and invited everyone. Cinderella also wanted to participate in the celebration, but her stepsisters did not let her go. His stepmother was told that she could not go to the celebration. Fed up, Cinderella went outside and started crying. In such a case, an angel gives medicine to her which transforms her into beauty and shining clothes. She wears it to the celebration and meets the prince there. They become obsessed with their beauty. End of celebration. Well, Cinderella is ready to run and return home, but she forgets her slippers and dress. She leaves only one slipper that did not fit her feet. Rajkumar searches the whole city for slippers so that he can paw the feet of the ladies there. Finally, he arrives at Cinderella's house and the shoes fit on his feet. Prince and Cinderella get married and they live happily ever after. Their goodness reigns over goodness and beauty, while Cinderella's stepsisters are punished for their evil deeds. This story teaches us that goodness and good habits always win.